The California Invasive Plant Council, CAL-IPC, is a nonprofit organization working to protect California's environment from the spread of invasive plants. For 30 years, we've supported the people stewarding the state's lands and waters, promoting an integrated pest management approach in which safety, effectiveness, and practicality are evaluated when selecting control techniques. In our role of providing resources for land stewards, we saw the need to document the extensive expertise of experienced field practitioners and to document how a given plant might need to be controlled differently based on the situation in which it's to be controlled. For instance, how big your site is, or how remote your site is, how rocky, steep, or wet your site is, or how much disturbance the site can take. Factors like these all affect which control techniques are best suited to the situation. With funding from the California Department of Pesticide Regulation, CAL-IPC brought together experts to share their knowledge on best practices for a range of non-chemical control techniques. Our team included 60 practitioners from across the state who contributed information on 21 different techniques, including flaming, tarping, girdling, grazing, and more. In addition, federal and state scientists contributed information on biological control agents targeting 18 invasive plant species. Using this information, we built the Weed Cut web tool, where users can select the type of plant they need to control and enter factors regarding their site conditions. The web tool then filters techniques to show those that are most effective. The user can drill down to access detailed information on how to use a given technique, as well as ratings for cost, safety, and more. This project focused on non-chemical techniques to help make sure that land managers are trained on ways and situations in which invasive plant control can be accomplished without using herbicides. Because herbicide applications are an important part of the IPM toolbox, we are now working on a follow-up project to add these techniques into Weed Cut so that managers can integrate approaches for the most efficient and effective use of herbicides when needed. This project depended on engagement from many partners, including UC Cooperative Extension advisors, agency scientists, professional land managers, and experienced volunteers. Thank you to all of you. And of course, our fantastic partners at the University of California's IPM program, who developed the Weed Cut website and now host it for public access. We're proud to have worked with such an amazing alliance of natural resource managers working across the state to stop the spread of invasive plants. Together, we will continue working to use the best available IPM approaches for addressing one of today's most pressing environmental challenges, controlling invasive species.